If you love enchiladas, well, you're going to want to make these. Let me show you how I made these sour cream chicken enchiladas using hatch green chili. Hatch green chili is the best. These come out so delicious. Let me show you how I made these. In my pot, I have some chicken breast. I have two, and I'm going to add some water along with some salt. I'm also going to add some chicken knorr, a laurel leaf, a garlic, and a piece of an onion. I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, these are done. I'm going to be removing them from my pot, and I'm going to be shredding these. You can shred these however you want. I actually have one of these chicken shredders. Super easy to use, but feel free to use whatever you like. Once I shredded these, I'm going to add them to my bowl, and then I'm going to get started on frying up my corn tortillas. I'm going to fry them up a little bit more on the crispy side. That way when I add the sauce on top, it doesn't come apart. I'll be placing these on a rack to drain off the excess oil. And once I have fried all of my tortillas, I'm going to start on my sauce. In my pan, I'm going to add half a stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons. And I have my heat on a medium. After that has melted, I'm adding in equal parts of flour, which is 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to incorporate this well. And to this, I'll be adding in 2 cups of chicken broth. And then I'm going to stir this together, always making sure that everything is well incorporated. And to this, I'm adding in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin. You can add the spices that you like. I'm just going to use these. And once that's incorporated, I'm going to be adding in 1.5 cups of sour cream. You're welcome to use crema. In this case, I only had sour cream on hand. Mixing this well. And after this has mixed in, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of chopped hatch green chili. You can add as much or as little as you like. I think half a cup was good for me. I'm going to mix that in together for about a minute, and this sour cream hatch green chili sauce is done. And now it's time to assemble the enchiladas. Adding the chicken, I'm going to add some cheese. This is some gouda cheese, some diced onion, and I'm going to be rolling these up, placing all of them on my baking pan. I'm going to continue with the rest. I ended up only making 10 enchiladas, but this recipe will make up to 14. And now I'm going to top it with that sour cream enchilada sauce. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. And once I have placed all of that, I'm going to be adding the rest of the cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I like Gouda because Gouda is a good melting cheese. This is going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes, and then I'm going to put it on broil for 3 minutes just to get it nice and toasty, and it already looks so good. And I'm going to just let this cool down for about 5 minutes before I serve it. And these enchiladas are ready to enjoy. Super delicious. I know you will love this. Gotta give it a try.